welcome back to Sapna Medka. Today is day 1 of our 2-month challenge for NEET, and today is 15th December. It's already 2:20, so let's start with it. So I've already wasted half of my day in thinking how to do things and how all of this can be done. So I was very tensed and just cried, but that is not how things will be done. So now it's time to take action, and we have already formed this list. Right now what we are going to do is, it's already 2:30. We are going to plan for today and tomorrow, that is 15th and 16th, and we are going to complete all these 13 chapters of bio and give a test tomorrow evening. And by tomorrow our whole biology will be absolutely completed, and we will gain confidence in bio at least. These are the chapters, and I've made the perfect plan that could be, logically executed. So for today, that is 15, these are the 4 chapters that we have to do. So the basic thing how you can plan is, how you guys can plan for yourself also. Just write the chapters that you want to do, give the logical time that the chapter will take for you to complete, and then just start dividing it how you guys can do it. Now don't make a very continuous one, consider giving break in between. I've also done that. So this is how the basic plan works. And then, so these are the 4 chapters that I'm going to do today, and then tomorrow I'm going to do these of 5 chapters. I've already done all the chapters many times, so it's just going to take me these hours. And then 4 chapters that are very easy for me, these are those chapters I'm not going to revise them, because I just did right now for my boards, so it's easier. I don't even actually have time for it. And then on 17th, the first thing after getting up is we are going to give 2 tests, and then we are going to evaluate the test. And then the bio is done. We are going to start with our actual routine from 13th, which we could not because of the rest of the things, which is physics. We have to start. So this is something logically very possible to follow, and we are going to give our 100% best to complete anyhow. So right now it's 2:30, and I had started it from 4, but because I'm done with everything, so we are going to start right away. And right now the first chapter that we are going to do is biodiversity, so let's just start. Also, on the back of this page we are going to write for how many hours and when we were studying, so that we have a proper, how we executed this plan, and if it isn't, so where did we go wrong. It will be easy for us to evaluate and just grow better. So I completely follow Ummeed one shot series for biodiversity and its conservation. So the notes I've just uploaded it on my iPad, and from here we are just going to revise it how quick we can do, and then we'll just read NCRT once and we are done with it. So I've given 2 hours for it. I think it's possible to complete it within 1.5 or 1 hour also. So let's see how long it takes, and let's do it completely so that no question goes wrong from this chapter. So let's start. This is complete, and it's 12:20, and यहाँ पे भी. So we are done with this. Now organism and population is will do, that takes 2 hours. 4 से 6 था, we have completed this, and ये भी हो गया. So let's log into this. So organisms and population, I do it from my NCRT. I've just noted down all the points in NCRT itself. I've done this, and जो भी जैसे I've seen this, ये है तो यहाँ पे ये this is about this topic, what it means, and ऐसे every point is written in my NCRT itself. You can see ये सब का मतलब. everything is written, right? हर चीज़ हर जगह every इसका meaning is written, and this is the end of it. So let's start. Guys, finally I'm done with this chapter after wanting to sleep for the longest time, and it is done till 6. Currently it is 6:30, but because I was feeling so sleepy, so I had to take a 15 minutes nap and go for a walk. So I've written your 6, and now from 6:30 we are going to start our next chapter, which is principles of inheritance. Now the magic starts here. This had to be started by 8, but we are starting it at 6:30. And this is how winning looks. This is, we need to celebrate the smallest of things, and just being before this timing makes me feel so good and so confident, and gives me a feeling of I can still do this. So this is your sign to start working on yourself, and things actually will come back to place. So let's start with POI. So we are starting with principle of inheritance and variation. Now for this I'm going to just simply read my NCRT. I've noted down the important points. I don't know what the issue is, but it's not loading. So I've noted all the important points, or highlighted it, marked the important lines from the NCRT, and we're just going to revise it thoroughly and learn all the important points. So let's see how much time it takes, and I'll try to do it as soon as possible. Guys, I've done till here. Linkage and recombination से start करना है. It's 8:15, so I've studied 1 hour 15 minutes, and now I'm taking 15 minutes break because बहुत seriously ही पढ़ाई कर ली, तो अब दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है. And then I'll start from I'm finally done with all the 4 chapters that we had planned for the day, and so POI was done. For molecular basis of inheritance, first I referred my teacher's notes, and then I read the NCRT, and it's completely done. So we are done for the day, and the plan had succeeded. The 4 chapters are done. Now tomorrow we need to complete all of this, so let's plan to do it as soon as possible and complete biology.